Hi, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to make a CCTV use Android phone. Okay, you need two Android phone and go to Play Store. Okay, write IP webcam IP webcam. Okay, IP webcam install. Click here, accept. Okay, and open this software. You need to set in this software, and you can see local broadcasting. Click local broadcasting and login password. Click login password. Write your name as like as ARIF and password 1 2 3 4 5 and click OK. Click back button and setting stream on device board. Click stream on device board. Click here. Okay, I get it. Okay, it's complete. Okay, and another phone. Go to Play Store. Okay, click on and write TINY space webcam monitor. Okay, and search. You can see Telecam monitor free. Click here. Here install. Accept. Open this software. Click here. Click again. Click. And you can see async random cameras. So we don't need this random cameras. So click here and click OK. Again click plus button and add cameras. Click add camera. Okay. Your username ARIF. Write ARIF. Okay. And password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Password. And IP webcam. Start IP webcam. Go to your IP webcam and click start server. Click here Okay. We can say IP address, HTTP 192 and setting it IP address 192 and full stop 168 168 168 full stop 0 full stop 2. You can see IP address. One 192 full stop 168 full stop 0 full stop 2. Okay, it's complete. And click OK and back. Okay, and you need to set in camera vendor. IP webcam for Android. IP webcam and setting IP webcam. Okay, it's complete. And open webcam, IP webcam, and click start server. Okay, it is complete. Click back button. You can see. Okay, you can see it's work. You can back. Again, click IP webcam and start server. Okay. Monitor.